Hello, welcome to Cyborginsta. Today we will be showing you how to install and use Cyborginsta on your personal device. First, you must go to www.cyborginsta.com. You then scroll down to the download section of the main page. There you click the download button. At this point you will have been brought to the download page. It is important to read the What to Know section before proceeding with your download. Once read, click the download button. An ad will appear. Just click away from this. You will be brought to the thank you page as shown, and your download will begin. Once your download is finished, open the Cyborginsta installer. You can find the installer in your Downloads folder. You can navigate there by going to your computer folder, then to the Downloads folder. There you will find the Cyborginsta installer. You can either initialize it from there, or move it to your desktop and start it from there. To do this you just double-click the installer. On some Windows devices you may get this prompt saying that Windows has protected your PC. This is due to us being a new service and not having our digital signature approved by Microsoft just yet. This will be fixed in the future. But for now don't worry, our software is completely safe. All you have to do is click More Info. And then click the Run Anyway button. The installation wizard will open. You then select your preferred language. Then click OK. Then click Next. If this pop-up comes up you click Yes. You can select to create a desktop shortcut for the app. Then you click Next. Finally you click Install, and your Cyborginsta will begin installing. Once the installation is finished you can click the Finish button. Now that your installation is finished, the installer is no longer necessary and you can delete it. At this point you have successfully downloaded and installed Cyborginsta. You can now begin using it. In the next video we will show you how to use Cyborginsta.